Hi Leos, this is your April career reading. I have taken out your cards. That those are in front of me. They fell out when I was shuffling the card with your zodiac sign, date of births according to the solar calendar. However, the people who are of the ascending sign and people who are of the moon sign can also watch this because these energies are common for the Leo. Leo zodiac. So you must watch it. You will have something which will resonate with you. So, before I start your career tarot reading, I am going to read a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you, it's a mantra for you for the month of April. So, what is it saying? It is saying, God is your source. Everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. So, always remember God is the one who is protecting you, who is providing for you. So, let's see what energies are coming through in the month of April. So, the first energy which is coming in is of the Nine of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. So, tricky energies around you. You are an abundant person. You have money, you have security, you have abundance, you have luxury, you have a status, and you have earned this over a long period of time. But there are some elements who are working against you behind your back. There can be deception, there can be betrayal, this can also signify an inside job by people, your colleagues or your partners, working against you. So there is a situation of danger around you wherein people are working against you, or to secure your Nine of Pentacles, you are asked by the angels to be very speedy, very fast, and you need to extricate yourself from a certain situation. That is what I am seeing. So regarding career, this means that there is a situation is in your organization which is affecting you. There is a situation in your business or you in your studies situation. People, whatever you guys are doing regarding your livelihood, I see that a situation will be developing or is already there, which is carrying over in the month of April, wherein there is danger and people can be betraying you, and you need to safeguard yourself so that your monetary situation or your income is not affected. That is what I see. So you need to be smart and speedy. That's what I see, and watch your back. That's the advice I am giving. So as you go forward, I see the tower movement. Yes, so the betrayal will cause the tower movement. There will be external circumstances which will be creating this atmosphere for you. There will be a big unexpected changes. Something unexpected will be brought in front of you which will cause a lot of discomfort, problems and pain for you. So there is going to be a tower moment in your career. There can be reshuffling, there can be change of role, there can be a transfer, unexpected, there can be a pink slip, whatever it is, you are going to face this. So you cannot avoid it because it is going to come to you. Don't consider it negative, because in my opinion the tower situation sometimes brings in good things. Sometimes it creates a situation for you from where it is a harsh way of growing, but it brings growth, it brings liberation. So in your career there will be this moment. It will be of small impact for some of you, a bigger impact for another Leo, but this will come and this will be discomforting, hurting your ego, but this situation will bring in growth, I am sure, because the cards that are clarifying this tower moment are the Ace of Wands and the Six of Swords. So, Ace of Wands, Six of Swords, number one is saying that from this tower moment, you will be able to get out smoothly. You will be able to get out smoothly, whatever it is. You will be able to overcome the painful situation, the obstacle, the turmoil. So you will be going towards calm, definite. This is definite because the tower is the symbol of the upheaval, And these minor arcana cards are the physical things that are done by you or done by others, which affects you. So you will be able to sail out from the problematic situation definitely, and you will be able to handle this tower moment, because a growth situation will come, a new opportunity will be knocking on your door. So it is coming, the Ace of Wands is coming. So Ace of Wands is a growth situation in your career which is coming in after the tower moment. So always think the problems that are coming in, there are two ways of growing, one growth by harsh changes, one growth by gradual changes. So growth situation will happen because of the tower moment. It will give you a disruption, but that disruption will help you to grow. So what the tower movement will do is that you will have to struggle against people. There will be challenges which you will have to face, and it is not new for you, Leo. You will be in your Leo energy, you will be in your warrior like energy, you will be able to ward off whatever is coming towards you, because you are on the higher ground. You are a fighter, and you will have the support of people, and you will be able to ward off the challenges successfully. That is what I see. You will be able to see an alternative. Then the Seven of Pentacles is showing that you will start looking at the existing situation, and you will understand that this situation cannot be handled by the way it has been handled for so long. So I need to see what is the existing situation and what will be the new situation. So you will make peace. You will make peace with yourself, and you will start looking at the situation with practicality. That is what I am seeing. The Eight of Swords energy will be there for some time. This is, thinking that I am trapped, I am at fault. You will start questioning your own abilities. I cannot stop that, but it will happen for you. There will be a moment wherein you will start questioning your abilities, but I am telling you, this tower moment is not a situation of downfall or ruin. It is a situation of growth. So see it like that. Challenges will come, you will have to handle it, accept it. So as you go forward, I see the moving on happening. You will move on from a certain situation in your career. The existing situation will be, abandoned by you, and you will be going towards your higher goal. I am seeing the Judgment happening, and I am seeing the Chariot happening. So fast movement will happen of moving on. Changes will happen which will take you out of a certain bad situation, and you will go towards something with focus, and there will be a movement. There can be a physical movement for some of you. Positive changes will happen. You will be taken out of a certain messy situation, and things will start moving very fast for you towards a goal that will satisfy you, that will be of success. I am seeing from after the tower moment, after the harsh growth, after the harsh situation, the good situation is coming in of the Empress. So the Empress is telling me a growth will happen of a gradual nature. So as you go towards your focused goal, as you move on from the tower moment and the existing situation in the month of April, it's all happening in the month of April. So when you are moving on, there will be a situation of Empress. Empress means growth will happen with, natural, the in a natural way. It will be abundant, it will be a new opportunity which will be of long term growth. This will be a, comforting situation for you, because after the tower the Empress is coming. So after the tower, harsh, settings, after the harsh things which is happening to you, you will come to a calm, peaceful and abundant situation. A successful situation is beckoning you. You will be able to plan, progress, and go towards a distance. Some of you will travel someplace, you will decide either or. You will take the step, you will be planning, you will be, scouting for new jobs, some of you, and you will be landing that job. You'll be getting that job. Fast movement is going to happen. A Libran can help you. That is what I am seeing. And as you go forward, your 10 of Pentacles will be secured. You will be able to take a position wherein you are abundant with the Empress and the 10 of Pentacles. You will be satisfied with the growth you are going to achieve. You will be able to understand that this tower movement had, had to make way for new opportunities, long term growth, and new systems in your life regarding your career, your profession. So this will happen for you in the month of April. You will be able to get out of long term of betrayal, problems, defeat, and circumstances that were not helping you. This is the last stage, the 10 of swords. Pain will be there, but you will be able to, walk back. You will be able to get up on your feet, and you will be able to get out of a failure or a defeat situation. Definitely the Knight of Cups clarifying this is saying that you will be able to use your charm, you will be able to use your creativity, you will be able to use your diplomacy to achieve, a good situation for yourself, good monetary situation for yourself, and negotiate better for yourself. So this is the April month, which is showing that there is a big time upheaval which will be handled by you finally, and a problem solving can happen for you. So the outcome is showing justice. Okay, so there was something which was unjustified, there was something which was unfair, which was happening to you. Justice will be served by the universal laws or by the human laws. Justice will be served. It can also mean a new job for you, new signing of papers, formality, leaving and getting a new job. So a balanced situation will finally come. The truth will finally come out. Eventually, the unfair business will be revealed in front of you, and a legal situation will be won by you, which will be in your favor. So the balance situation in your life, in your career will happen. Old situation will be over, maybe for some of you, or you will be reinstated, or a new situation will happen. So the justice signifies legal work, paperwork, signing of legal deals, talking to a court and a judge. It can also mean winning in judicial court cases. It can also mean that the divine law will serve, justice to you. So that is what I am seeing in the sorry, in the month of April. So as you go forward, I am seeing that the star card is here, and the star card is showing that the stars will guide you, and you will find your path regarding your future. The stars are advising, be optimistic, be in a good frame of mind, in affirmation, and you will be able to seek something which is new opportunity, and you will be able to get towards your ambition. You will have to start something again. That is what I am seeing. So as you go forward, I am seeing for you the Lenormand card. The Lenormand card will, verify or validate what we have discussed. So the card which you have got for yourself is number 28. This is the Gentleman card, and it is saying, uh, you have to trust a kind of person who is very fond of you. Someone will come in your life who is fond of you. I'm sorry. Regarding success, it is saying that you have a harmonious scholastic and professional background that taught you to cooperate and communicate. So, communications will be good this month. You are going to get an interesting proposal from a reliable professional. An interesting job proposal will bear fruits. Changes for the better will happen. So, changes are happening, growth situation will happen. Regarding money, it is saying that you have spent a fortune on a house that makes you proud, and you don't regret that decision. So, the 10 of Pentacles here could be your house, the growth, you will be buying some property. A good bargain proposed by a fair haired man can come to you. Artistic or creative activity will be put to good use in charity or for satisfying some, goals. So that is the Knight of Cups coming in. Also, it is a calm financial situation without debts or worry will be there in the month of April. So I am seeing that whatever upheaval is happening, your monetary situation will not go wrong. Your monetary situation will be strong. The Empress energy, the Ten of Pentacles energy will be here. The Tower movement can happen, but it is not going to disturb your monetary circumstances. That is what I am seeing. So if you have liked this reading and if you are resonating with it, please like and subscribe. Send in a comment, write a comment, and let me know how my reading was. And if some of you have career problems, if you want to discuss it with me, if you want your career to be looked at more carefully, you can come to me and send in a request in the comment box. I will look at it and tell you how to book my readings. So all the best for you. I hope you get yourself out of the Tower moment with lot of your Leo energy. Okay, bye bye.